So welcome back to my channel Salesforce Automation Testing. So today guys we will in this section we will learn this 11 steps, basic steps to start the Salesforce testing. Before you start the Salesforce testing, you need to have this kind of activity and this kind of installations and all the things you should aware about that. You should configure this before you can start the Selenium automation testing. So first you need to install Java guide. Then we can set a configure Java path in our system environment variable. Then we have a installer Eclipse, right? Because without Java you cannot directly install the Eclipse because it will give some errors, right? So after installing Eclipse, that you have to create the one project in Eclipse. Then we have to set the Selenium jars in a project by right to for the our Selenium web drivers and all the variables, right? Then we have to configure that jars into our project path. So in order to access some libraries, some Java library, some Selenium jars library. Okay, then we can choose a browser. So which browser say you want to automate the things, like if you want to create a project, if you want to automate this project on a to run on a Chrome, or maybe you can run on you want to run on a, we can say it is a Firefox or IE or etc browser. Then first then after that we have to create a driver object based on a browser chosen site. Suppose I have chosen like a Chrome driver, so we have to create a driver for the Chrome browsers, right? Then we have to set the properties or maybe the web interface for the browsers, right? So we have to set the properties in order to start the browser automation, right? Because you have to download the Chrome browser driver, either Firefox or maybe you can download the IE or Opera, etc. So we have to set the properties in order to initial the browsers, right? Then we can create that program and we can run that first Java program, right? Then after all the things, after all the procedures, then we can start the automate Salesforce applications, right? Then so guys, this is the basic things that we have to follow, right, in order to run a first Salesforce program, right? So I'm going to show that what should we do. First we follow the Java installation guide, right? So let's see. So in order to run the download the Java, you need to enter the JavaJDK over here. So here it will prompt you to Java download that. So here on the Oracle website you can download the directly JDK download. So when I click on JDK download, right, so it will show me the so many availability of the SDK, right? So in order to Java SC download, you so guys, just I'm checking that Java. So here it's you can say that JDK 16 is available right now, right? So we have to download this JDK in which format or which systems or which operating system you are using. So there are lots of availability either for Linux, Mac OS, or Windows 64, right? So we have to just download these things. We have to download the exe, either exe or zip file, right? So we simply download the JDK exe, right? So in order to run the JDK in our system, right? since I do have a already installed a JDK at my system, so